Hello YouTubers, I'm gonna take you out and see what I have so far of what I'm gonna have to shovel tomorrow. So it's pretty bad out here today. Let's hope I don't die out here. Okay, so right off the bat, let's hope there's no whiteout when I'm out here. Okay, here we go, buddies. You're breaking free! Oh, buddy! That's a lot of snow! Holy crap! Man, all I have is a little piece here. There's no snow! No snow there! Look at this! White out! Wow! I can't see! I cannot see a thing! Holy crap! And that is a great that is a great testimony to why you want a cab on your tractor.